Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Social Security Benefits. We hope you are doing great. Yes, bigger increases to social security checks for all social security update. The state of social security in the United States is a pressing issue with the millions of Americans receiving payment that fall below the poverty line. Representative John Larson is leading the charge for comprehensive reform, advocating for significant increase in social security payments. The current annual cost of living adjustment COLA are inadequate and the dire situation is aggravated by an overpayment scandal and inefficiencies in the system. Congress's long-standing inaction is a key part of the problem, as Social Security has remained largely uncharged for 52 years despite significant economic shifts and inflation. It's crucial to remember that Social Security is not a program designed for wealth accumulation but rather a safety net for individuals during difficult times. The economic challenges faced by Social Security recipients are significant. The aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic has left older Americans, particularly those over the age of 65, struggling to recover. In addition, inflation is eroding the purchasing power of those on fixed income, primarily Social Security payments. The proposal put forth for Representative John Larson and his colleagues involves a substantial across-the-board increase in Social Security checks to provide financial relief to millions of Americans is not just an economic necessity but also a matter of social responsibility and justice. Increased Social Security payments could have a profound economic impact, potentially stimulating economic activity and reducing poverty. The proposal highlights the potential for millions of Americans to receive a tax cut with the money circulation back into their communities, ultimately contributing to local economic development. In conclusion, the need for comprehensive Social Security reform is evident, with millions of Americans relying on it for financial stability. Representative John Larson's advocacy the reform is a significant step forward addressing the pressing challenges faced by recipients. It's time for Congress to act and ensure that Social Security fulfills the fundamental role as safety net for older Americans. As the conversation continues, the hope is that Social Security will evolve to better serve those who depend on it for their financial well-being.